Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, our mission is really a crash course in consumer transparency. We're looking at a pretty modern wellness product, the Glorenda Patch, and we're going to try to give you a shortcut to understanding the central contradiction here.
And what's that?
You've got this cutting-edge delivery system, but it's paired with some very broad, almost old-school cure-all type claims.
Right. And before we dive in, I have to say, this is strictly educational commentary. We're focused on the marketing language, not giving medical advice.
Absolutely.
We're just analyzing the product claims in the context of the science, not telling you to take or avoid anything.
Okay, so the core pitch is pretty appealing. It's a daily microneedle patch, non-invasive, delivers ingredients through the skin to help with metabolism and weight loss. You get to bypass pills.
It sounds convenient.
It does, but what's actually in the patch? Let's unpack that.
Well, the sources focus on three key ingredients. You have plant-based compounds like marina and berberine, and also NAD plus DON. Berberine is pretty well studied in nutritional science. It's known as an AMPK activator, which is just a key enzyme for regulating energy.
And NAD plus is all about cellular energy, right?
Exactly. It's critical for how your cells produce energy.
Oh.
But NAD plus is a pretty big molecule.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So transdermal delivery, getting a stable dose of that through your skin, isn't that notoriously complex?
That is where it gets really interesting. And that's the potential gap we're talking about
Yes.
between the delivery innovation and the, proven efficacy.
Okay.
Research into ingredients like berberine and NAD plus for metabolic health is ongoing, for sure. But the key insight for you is that definitive peer-reviewed data on these compounds delivered transdermally for weight loss is, well, it's currently scarce.
So the delivery tech is new, but the evidence base kind of needs to catch up.
Precisely.
Which makes me wonder, with that complexity, how quickly are they promising results? Because the list of benefits is huge. We're talking fat loss, appetite control, better blood sugar, more energy.
Visible results within 7 days.
7 days. I mean, that seems fast.
The breadth of those promises is something you should definitely evaluate. When one product claims to fix so many different issues, it starts to edge into that general cure-all territory.
And the 7-day timeline.
That really raises a question about expectation management.
Right. I mean, genuine fat loss doesn't happen in 7 days.
Exactly. Real, quantifiable physiological changes.
Yeah.
They just take a lot longer. That 7-day promise is a classic marketing tactic. It focuses you on a quick feeling, maybe a perceived energy boost.
Rather than on hard metrics that take time.
Yes. It's not about promising something like measurable fat reduction, which requires sustained effort.
That brings us to a final point then, the regulatory language. I noticed a lot of references to FDA and GMP.
And this is critical for you to understand for transparency. GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices.
Okay, so what does that mean?
It just means the facility where the patch is made meets certain quality standards. It's about cleanliness, consistent production. It's about how it's made.
But that doesn't mean the FDA has approved the product's health claims, does it?
Correct. It doesn't. Having GMP language doesn't validate any of the claims about fat loss or blood sugar, and it certainly doesn't mean the product is FDA approved.
So it's about understanding the labels and making sure manufacturers are being transparent.
It's key.
So after all that, what should you, our listener, take away from this analysis?
I think the core message is learning to distinguish between appealing product claims and the current state of the actual science. We have this exciting new delivery method, the patch, but the claims themselves still need more robust, peer-reviewed investigation to be seen as definitive.
A really compelling point. That idea of convenience is just so powerful, it makes it easy to overlook the details.
It really is. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, analyzing any wellness claim like this, it all leads to one important question for you. How do you, as a consumer, distinguish between your own enthusiasm for a cool, novel delivery method and the ongoing need for solid, peer-reviewed evidence when you're evaluating any of these health products? That's something to mull over long after this deep dive is done.